So you like doing home repairs, or you just like to measure big boxes? Who knows? Whatever you want to measure with this FatMax. This one by Stanley. I got the 35-inch, and that might be enough for some people, but sometimes people wanted a few inches bigger, like 40 inches. They come in different sizes, and you definitely want to get the right one for the job that you need. And one of the things I really like about this, even though I've had it for, I don't know, let's just say at least a minimum of 5 years, I think. Probably longer than that. Maybe 2019, I think. Yeah, I definitely like that, how wide and thick it is. And I can go for long parts without this like breaking down. Sometimes it gets floppy after a certain amount of time. It just falls down. So sometimes it's like you're working by yourself. You just have to pull it out and measure it yourself, and it just doesn't have the link that it just flops on you. So I'm not really sure how long I got this to go without actually breaking on me. But yeah, it definitely goes a long way. Let me do it real quick. Let me do a test. I know it's a little hard to see. So far we at 8 feet, and it's still going strong. It's barely holding on. We are at 9 feet, still holding, barely holding on. Yeah, beyond 10 feet, it's still holding strong. Yeah, I just don't have that much room here to show on camera. But yeah, I definitely always kept this handy, always somewhere. Always keep a spare, many others, because you never know when you're going to need it. And yeah, I really want this is my favorite one that I always keep around with me. So this has been Father McFoss Files. I hope you find any of this helpful. Okay, let me just talk a little bit more about this. So we got the inches, and we got the 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so the 16th inch, 16th of an inch, I believe. Yeah, it just goes on. So if you're like 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 inch, so you don't have to memorize. Well, what is 22 inches again? So you don't want to think a little too hard, but you definitely want to measure. Make sure you're getting the right measurement. So always measure twice. Remember that. So again, this has been Father McFoss. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.